Video app. It's a new rising video editing app. So it stormed itself into top charts in new video editing apps. It's kind of now a competitor to CapCut and iMovie. It's quite popular video editing, especially for AI videos. So to create viral content, featured app of the day, AI images for your videos, merge crop, quick templates, auto captions, text, music effects, remove backgrounds. So a lot of kind of AI features, editing tools, templates, visual effects, music and sound. And then you can just open it up and then you can just create new project. There are some trending templates you can just use. And then there are projects, there are settings, premium, weekly access. How much is that? Whoa. Monthly access, okay, $36 per year. Weekly 30-day free trial, then $11 per week. But as you can see, if I cancel for the first time, then I see this extended trial. So just an advice for you: whenever you want to upgrade for an app, don't upgrade at the first attempt. Always cancel just in case, and you might see some nice deal. This is what most of the apps do. Pretty cool. So you start a new project, you just add in some videos, project title, aspect ratio, and all right, unfortunately then you still need to upgrade, as you can see, so it's not usable for free. Oh, now I'm a bit confused, so it's kind of usable. They really want you to upgrade. And then you see some premium features, some free features. What is AI features? AI powered captions, audio cleanup, remove background noise. That's pretty cool. Auto editing, automatically trim, AI video, transform your photos into videos. That's kind of cool feature, right? So you can just create short videos based on the photos you uploaded. And then basically you just play with it as with in any other like video editing mobile app, and that's about it. But overall, very nice reviews for this app. If you're not happy with CapCut, whatever, iMovie on iPhone, whatever, give a try to this one. It's called Video App Video Editor Maker by this company, Video Editor Maker app.